What's the meaning of aeronautics? Aeronautics. 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 Aeronautics refers to the science and practice of designing, building, and operating aircraft. It encompasses a wide range of disciplines, including aerodynamics, propulsion systems, structural design, and avionics. The goal of aeronautics is to create safe, efficient, and reliable aircraft that can be used for transportation, military purposes, scientific research, or other applications. Advances in aeronautics have led to the development of faster, more fuel-efficient aircraft, as well as innovations like drones and space exploration vehicles. Overall, aeronautics plays a critical role in modern society by enabling global travel and facilitating important scientific discoveries.